welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to say thank you for all the love and support last week. That meant the world to me. You guys are the best. Thank you, thank you. We are exploring the brand Wet n Wild together today. It is a brand that I haven't tried loads from yet, mostly because I wasn't sure where to get it in Denmark. So for all my Danish followers and viewers, Wet n Wild is actually sold in our normal stores here in Denmark, or Normal if you're Danish. You can also get loads of it on Lux Plus, and you can also get it on, I think it's Coco Panda. So there are lots of ways you can actually try out these products if you fall in love with anything that I'm using today. I have already primed my skin. Sorry, my under eyes look insane. I don't know what's wrong with me. I am going to use a primer, but I'm not going to prime with the primer from Wet n Wild, mostly because I'm dry on my skin and this is like a matte primer. I prefer something with a little bit more of a glow to it, so that's what I'm going to be doing instead. This is going to go to my giveaway pile that I'm going to do for you guys soon. Instead, I completely fell in love with these liquid highlighters that are so cute. They're actually in like glass bottles, and I used it under my foundation a few days ago, I think it was. It comes with an applicator like this, which I think is perfect. So what I'm gonna do is just apply that on all the high points of my face. I don't really necessarily use primers that much, mostly because, as I said, my skin is quite dry, so I don't really need to prime. I think I just need to add a lot of moisture to my skin. So this is nice because like it gives you a little bit of glow. I'm going to just take a Real Techniques like cheek brush and kind of muff that into my skin. I'm gonna look super metallic, but I think it adds a nice glow when you apply this under your foundation or just a little bit on top of the makeup. I went to the meeting with the company who also does like Wet n Wild and Real Techniques, and I'm actually really enjoying this brush. I haven't tried many of these like toothbrush looking things, even though I know it's been a huge trend. So I think I'm gonna see if I can get my fingers on more of these. I think the Photofocus Foundation is one of the products that most people from Wet n Wild use and love. I'm gonna do a little bit of a color test. My body is a little bit like self-tan. Ooh, that's a good match. That was soft beige. We have a golden beige. Ooh, that's nice as well. And then we got a desert beige. I think the desert beige might be a little bit too dark for me, even though I wish I was that dark. So I think I'm gonna be applying the golden beige just all over my face, just to cover up. I think what I did last time, because I did try this a few days ago, is I applied way too much of this, which is very unnecessary. It's a very pigmented foundation and covers quite a lot. It also has a bit more of a matte finish, which I'm not a big fan of. So I'm just gonna actually apply a little bit of oil to my face. I'll just add a little bit of my Youth to the People Makui and Akai hair oil. Going in with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, just blending this foundation into my skin. Ooh, I think this is a really, really nice color match actually. If you saw my last video, you saw that I got a bunch of Real Techniques brushes, and I have actually been loving them. I think I completely forgot about Real Techniques for a while, which is sad because they're so good brushes. Like, I love the fibers that they have. They have so many cool shapes and they're just really, really useful brushes, especially for the price. Just going in with my Real Techniques sponge just to blend all of that in a little bit. I love now looking at my skin, and you can sort of spot the places where I put the liquid highlighter. That is one of my favorite things, especially for matte foundations. So that is perfect. I'm going to be using the Photofocus Concealer today, and I think I'm going to be taking the color called Light Medium Beige. I did try this concealer a few times the past week or so, and I really do like it a lot. The only thing I wish was different was the applicator. I would have loved it to be a little bit thicker. I've become kind of lazy with my concealer. I just want to swipe it off and then there we go. That was a lot of concealer. Just going in with my sponge again just to blend everything onto my face. I like to go in under the eyes and blend last, just because I feel like that sets a little bit better if I do that. I would say this concealer is quite matte as well, so I think if you prefer a matte base, this combination is perfect for you, or you can mix it with a little bit of oil like Fix Plus like I like to do. I know I said one brand tutorial, but I don't actually like using face powders underneath my eyes, so I'm just gonna use this Gosh Prime and Set mattifying powder, which is like a translucent powder like this, just to set the concealer underneath my eyes. Normally I never use face powders at all, to be honest, but just for the sake of this video, let's try the Okay, let's try the Focus Let's try the Photofocus face powder. If I can get this shit open. So actually I was planning on dyeing my hair tonight, but I'm kind of scared, guys. I think I told you 2 videos ago that I was gonna bleach my roots, but I think I've come to terms with the fact that I don't want to bleach my roots. So now I'm thinking I should just sort of dye my hair and keep the roots and then just sort of like go with it. I'm just taking a Real Techniques powder brush and just setting my foundation with this. So now I'm thinking I should dye my hair sort of like pink, purple and blue like I did back in the day. I think it's just nice for fall to have a little bit of color going on, but I'm very scared because I think I've grown attached to my blonde hair now. I think no matter what, I will definitely film it before going to LA because I don't want to be blonde when I go to LA, which is gonna be November and not October as I said in my last video. Actually, this seems like a very sheer powder. It didn't really do anything like cakey. It doesn't make me look too matte. I really enjoy this powder. Perfect. To contour my face, I'm going in with the Megaglo contouring palette in Caramel Toffee. I'm taking the Real Techniques sculpting brush. I think I actually used this with a cream product a few days ago, so let's pray for me. Ooh, this is quite warm, isn't it? Did I take one that's too dark? I also have one called Dulce de Leche, something like that. I will write it down below. This seems to be, oh my god, my nail polish is actually like coming off. I don't like the like peel off thingy that you have to like struggle with. Wet n Wild also made these like really cute white and sort of like pink fluffy brushes. I'm gonna just lightly take some of the, I think this is gonna be sort of a lighter color. Hopefully a little bit colder as well, just to sort of warm that up. Or warm it down, can you say that? Is that a thing? Warm it down? I think this color actually might be a little bit better for me. Let's go in and do the forehead. Okay, this blends out like butter on my skin. This is so pigmented, so creamy. And it doesn't look cakey in any way. This is actually so nice. I'm impressed. So maybe a little bit strong on this side, but I think it still looks nice. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the lighter shade here. Ooh, that was pigmented. Okay, so these are actually some of the best like contouring powders I've tried from the drugstore, so I would definitely give these a go. I even like this powder a lot, just on top of the bronzer, just to tone it down, just to sharpen everything. And I guess even if you wanted like more of an intense highlight, you could plum it on like the center of the face. I've been super excited about this Megaglo highlighter. I can't wait to try this out. I think honestly, highlighter is one of my favorite things in makeup. Look how shiny and pretty this is, like wow. I think I'm gonna take this that I used with the liquid highlighter as well. Going in, grabbing a little bit of this product. Oh, I'm excited. Was that it? Oh, okay, there we go. I thought it was just like nothing, but it looked quite nice. I watched the video that Nick's Tutorials did with Rihanna's makeup artist, Priscilla Ono, which you guys should also watch. It was very inspiring. And I've been doing sort of my highlight in this technique that she showed, where I will go up here in my brow bone and actually put it all over this place and then go a little bit above my brow as well. I think that gives such a nice, fresh, like healthy glow to the skin. Oh, so nice. This is the color Precious Petals. It has a little bit of a rosy undertone when you actually apply it on the skin, but it looks beautiful. I've also been loving to highlight the sides of my nose lately. I don't know why. I don't know if it does anything good for my face, but I'm definitely always doing it at the moment. And of course, I can't forget doing my little lips. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Color Icon blush in Apri-Cot in the middle. So like a nice sort of peachy color like this. Let's go in with this like little floofy brush from Wet n Wild. Oh, this actually looks very pigmented. Okay, it has a sheen to it, so it like works as sort of like a double highlighter. Can you guys see this? Okay, I feel like this has taken me 30 hours to film, so let's move on to eyebrows. Eyebrows? So Wet n Wild actually have a few different products for brows. They have these like normal pens that you sharpen. Comes with a little spoolie on the other side. What really caught my eye was these retractable brow pens that look really cool. They have like the slanted edge. I think I'm gonna go in with the color ash brown probably. And it comes up like this, like a little sharp triangle thingy. Let's give it a go. I like that they have a little color lid so you can see what color it is without having to open the product, which is great. Okay, great. This is how it looks, just using that one product. I'm going in with the Photofocus eyeshadow primer just to prime my eyelid. I'm just going to take a little bit and then blend it out with this synthetic fiber brush. The eyeshadows that I'm planning on playing with today are these two. They also have a bunch of single shadows that look cool. I was so impressed by these ones with the glitter. There's one in pink as well. A really nice brassy gold one and a lovely silver. So what I really love about this palette is that they actually put transition color in from the bottom and the top, which I think is just so cute that it says that. So I'm gonna start with this light transition color right there. It's got some nice pigment, I would say. I'm dipping into the warmer color right there. Ooh, this is a nice one. That color packed a punch. Oh, I really like the pigmentation. This is the first time I'm trying Wet n Wild eyeshadows, and this is such a nice and positive experience. Oh, I'm happy. I'm just taking a Sigma E55 brush on this color right there, just on the outside right here. I feel like I kind of have to go in with the gold like brassy color right here just because it is so pretty and I think it would look cool with this eye. I'm pretty sure this is like a gel color, so I'm just going to take it with my finger. Oh, so nice. Very cool. I'm going to go in with this gel lip pencil but use it on my eyes instead because I want sort of like a nice maroon base to go with that pinkish eyeshadow there's in this palette here. So I'm going to take this pink color and blend it out with the lip liner. So the gel lip liner actually dries quite fast, but I love this color so much. Just to deepen up the outer corner, I'm going to take this color again and just sort of dab it on the outer corner, maybe mix it with a little bit of the red one as well. I think honestly the gel from the glitter shadow kind of disturbed us a little bit, so I think I should have waited to apply the glitter when I was done with everything else. Oh well. See, I love the colors, but that black thing right there is just kind of bugging me. What I'm gonna do is try and cover it with the gold shadow, see if that works. I think that looks better. So guys, we have kind of run into some issues. For some reason, when I did this eye, the glitter went on so smooth, like it was so perfect, so easy to work with. And it was like, as soon as I removed the top part of the glitter, it was sort of just like a sticky jelly thing. So I don't know if there's something wrong with this product in particular, but you see it's like a sticky sort of jelly. And I tried applying it with my fingers like I did before, but it just sort of like applies like not nice. So I'm going to try and fix this by applying some just some loose glitter on my face. So the texture just like feels very heavy on my eye now. It feels like I have a really thick layer of like jelly on top of my eye. I mean, it's definitely glittery now.
20 minutes later.
The glitter has now sort of like transformed itself into like a little glob. Just on one eye though, it looks pretty good on the other eye, so this is probably the first product that I don't like from this like little collection thing. I was actually planning on doing a liquid liner as well to test those out because it looks quite cool, but I don't think it's gonna stick to the jelly base. I'm gonna just do some mascara and I'm gonna put on some nice big falsies instead. Wet n Wild have a lot of different mascaras. They even have like a little set like this, which is called Lash-O-Matic. But I'm not someone who loves volume very much on my lashes because I always like to just define them and then apply some fake ones anyway. So the mascara I'm gonna be trying out is Mega Slim Skinny Mascara, which looks like this. Ooh, this has a really nice wand, like really small. I think a lot of you guys would probably find this mascara super boring, but this is the perfect mascara for me for under lashes. I don't like thick, clumpy lashes when I'm going to apply falsies, and I basically do that every single day, so this is a A+ for me. I'm gonna just apply some Huda Beauty lashes. This is Farrah lashes, and then I'm gonna be back for you guys. Lashes are on, and I definitely think that saved the look. I think this eye is holding up really, really well. This eye over here though, it's like falling apart slowly. Another thing that I've noticed now is using the lip gel liner on the eyes. It's a little bit like movable, so I can see that it's getting a little bit shiny. So I don't think this is something I would do for every day because I think it would like sort of wear off and melt, which can be a nice look sometimes. but just keep that in mind if you want to use this on your eyes. It is very like sort of like movable. So I'm thinking for the lips, just keeping it a little bit neutral. I think I'm gonna go in with this set, which is a liquid lipstick and another one of those gel lip liners. The lip liner is called Bear to Comment, and I imagine that it's gonna be sort of like a nice brownie nude. They were really creamy to work with on the eyes, so I'm assuming they're going to be really nice to work with on the lips as well. I've been really into lip liners at the moment, which is strange because there was such a long time where I just never wore them. But I kind of like the point style lips at the moment. Definitely loving the lip liner. These are so creamy, so easy to blend, and they feel very, very lightweight on the lips. I decided to try out the liquid lipstick because this is something I've actually heard about before. So let's just wait 10-15 minutes until I can get this packaging open. So for you guys, especially if you're from Scandinavia and you don't know Wet n Wild that well, it's quite cool because they are like one of the cheapest drugstore brands, but they are cruelty free and they are vegan. At least most of their products are vegan as far as I know. I think it's cool that such an affordable brand also have an opinion. So let's give this a go. This is the Megaglo Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick in the color Nudist Peach. Ooh. Just going in with the lip liner once more, just to blend it in a little bit more. I can feel all the goop on my eye just being so sticky. I just kind of want to remove the makeup already. Okay, that looks really nice, I think. So while the lips dry down completely, I'm just going to get naked for you guys. No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to take some of the Heeeello liquid highlighter. This is the color Goddess Glow, it's called. I just want to try applying this on my shoulders and on my collarbones. You guys know I love the body glow, and I think this is a perfect product for that. Oh, I'm going to take this Real Techniques brush again. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I see myself using this product a lot. I think this is definitely going to be a favorite of mine. Look at that body glow, that looks so nice. To finish off the makeup, I'm using this Natural Finish Makeup Setting Spray. Just shaking it and giving that a little bit of a go. It smells like when I used to go out when I was 15 drinking cheap alcohol, and it also smells a little bit like Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray, but it really feels nice and refreshing. It was quite intense, I would say. Oh, I look red, I like it. Okay guys, so here we have the finished result. I really enjoyed most of these products. I think everything looks and feels really, really nice. I think compared to the price that Wet n Wild have, these products are insanely good. These products are definitely something that everyone can afford and like spoil themselves with. And I think the color payoff, like the creaminess of the products were just all amazing. The only product that I'm very disappointed in is the glitter eyeshadow thing, because this is something I had high hopes for. I don't know if I just used it wrong. If you guys have any tips on that, let me know in the comments, because I would love to be able to actually use this. I had lots of fun filming this, and I'm very excited about going to LA with Wet n Wild in November. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so we can get to 32,000 followers. My Instagram is going so bad right now. I don't know, I think it's the algorithm. So if you don't already, please go follow that as well. That would mean the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.